everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 question number 7. The length xf of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of 5 cm per minute and the width y is increasing at a rate of 4 cm per minute. When x equal to 8 cm and y equal to 6 cm, find the rates of change of the perimeter and area of rectangle. So according to this question, we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle, also the area of rectangle, by putting x equal to 8 cm and y equal to 6 cm. So this is a what? Rectangle. Its length is how much? X, and width is y. As you all know that in rectangle, two sides are equal. If this side is x, then this side must be x. If this side is y, then this side must be what? Y. Now according to question, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per second. So here is the solution. So given, what is given? Rate of decrease of length of rectangle. Rate of decrease of length of rectangle, it is how much given? Equal to 5 cm per minute. Therefore, we can write the rate of change of length of rectangle with respect to time. This x means what? Length of rectangle. So rate of change of length of rectangle with respect to time equal to how much given? 5 cm per minute. Since it is decrease, that is why negative sign will be there. We have to put what? Negative sign. Also what given? Look at here. And the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per second. Also given, what is given? Rate of increase of length of rectangle, isn't it? Rate of increase of length of rectangle is how much given? 4 cm per minute, right? 4 cm per minute. Therefore we can write rate of change of, sorry, this is not length, it is what? Width. Okay, width. It is what? Width. So rate of increase of width of rectangle. So rate of change of width of rectangle with respect to time. Here y is considered as what? Width, equal to how much? 4 cm per minute. Now next what we have to calculate? Find the rate of change of the perimeter of a rectangle. So from a number, it is what? Since we know that perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, suppose here perimeter of rectangle is considered as what? P. So P equal to, as we already know the perimeter of rectangle, formula is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus, I will write here, breadth. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. Now 2 into, now what is length? Length is considered as x plus breadth is considered, or width, breadth or width is considered as what? Y. Then the rate of change of perimeter with respect to time is written as what? D dt. Now instead of p what we can write? 2 into x plus y, isn't it? Now we have to differentiate it. Since 2 is a constant, right here 2 d dt of what? X plus y. Now we have to use this differentiation formula. What is the differentiation formula? D dx of what? U plus v. It is du dx plus db dx, right? Here 2. Now what we can write now? Dx by dt plus dy by dt. Now we have to put the values of dx by dt plus dy by dt. What is dx by dt? From this equation we can put here equation 1 and put here equation 2, right? Now instead of dx by dt we can put here minus 5 plus dy by dt. Here dy by dt is how much? 4. Now after solving it we will get minus 2. That means what? Perimeter is decreasing. Negative sign means it indicates that perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, right? dp by dt. Now what is the unit of this? Here perimeter. For perimeter the unit is centimeter, by 40 it is what? It is given in the question minute. Therefore I need to write the perimeter is decreasing. Perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So this is the solution for question number A. Now next is what for B. Now what is in B? We have to find out the rate of change of area of rectangle. So Roman number B, since we know that area of rectangle, suppose I am considering area as what? A. What is the area of the rectangle? It is what? Length into breadth, right? Length into breadth. It is what? BR breadth. So length is considered as x and breadth or width is considered as y. This is x and y. So area of rectangle A is what? X into y. Area of the rectangle, how much we get? Area of the rectangle, it is what? Length into breadth. That is what? X into y, right? Area of the rectangle is what? X into y. Now the rate of change of area with respect to time. Rate of change of area with respect to time is what? D dt. Now instead of A we can write what? X into y. X into y. Now use this differentiation formula. It is what? D dx of u into b. This equal to u dv by dx plus b du by dx. This is the differentiation formula for the product of u and b. Now here our u means what? X, y means what? B. Now it will be what? x dy by dt plus y dx by dt, right? Now x. Now what is dy by dt and dx by dt? From equation 1 and 2, from this equation, in the previous question, not previous question, this one, look at here dx by dt is how much? Minus 5 centimeter per minute, and dy by dt we have to put 4 centimeter per minute, right? Now we have to put here dy by dt is what? 4 plus y will remain y. Now dx by dt is what? Minus 5. Now when x equal to, as it is given in the question, condition given, when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, now we have to put in this x 8 centimeter, and instead of y it is how much? We have to put 6 centimeter. Now when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, then dA by dt, that means what? This equation dA by dt equal to how much? X. You can put here dA by dt, dA by dt. Now x, instead of x, now we have to put here 8. Now what is y? Y means what? 6 minus 5. Now multiply it. 32 plus minus 6 5s are 30. After subtracting we'll get 2. So the area is increasing at a rate of how much? 2 centimeter square per second. Now what is the unit of area? It is what? Centimeter square. Time is given what? Minute. Thus we can write area is increasing at a rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. So this is the final solution for question number B. Again look at here once. Solution for 7 from here to B, and the remaining part of B is this one. Remaining part of B is which one? This one. So this is the final solution of question number 7. Now next we are going to solve question number 8. So here is the question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. So according to this question, it is said that suppose balloon, right? Suppose this is a what? Balloon. It is a flattened balloon. After pumping this balloon, it becomes what? Spherical in shape, isn't it? After pumping, it became spherical in shape. This pumping of the balloon is called what? Inflation. After pumping, the shape of this balloon is like a spherical. So this is called what? Inflation. Remains spherical on inflation. Is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Now cubic centimeter, it is given what? Cubic centimeter. It can be written as what? Cubic centimeter. Now what is the quantity for this unit? So cubic सेंटीमीटर किसका यूनिट होता है? ये किसका यूनिट होता है? ये वॉल्यूम का यूनिट होता है, इजंट इट? वॉल्यूम का यूनिट क्या होता है? क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. सो कितना क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर पाम भरा है बैलून पे? 900, राइट? 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. So we have to calculate find the rate at which radius of the balloon increase when radius is 15 centimeter. If the radius of the balloon is 15 centimeter, if radius of the balloon is 15 centimeter, then how much this rate of this balloon is increase? Now let's solve. Solution. So here is the solution. Given, what is given? This what? Rate of change of volume is how much given? 900 centimeter cube per second. 900 centimeter cube per second. Now what we have to find here? Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increase when the radius is 15 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Here we have to calculate dr by dt, rate of change of radius with respect to time. We have to find out this. Now ddt, we have to put the formula of volume of sphere, right? As we know, volume of sphere equal to how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere का formula कितना होता है? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to put in this volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 900. Next we have to differentiate it, isn't it? So 4 by 3 pi is a constant. 4 by 3 pi dr cube by dt equal to 900. Now use its differentiation formula. It is what? dd x of what? X to the power n. It is what? N x n minus 1 dx by what? Dx. This will be 4 by 3 pi. Here power is what? 3. इधर पावर कितना है? 3 है. अब इसको क्या लिखना है? n. n का मतलब है पावर. It is what? 3r n minus 1. That means कितना होगा? 3 minus 1. उसके बाद क्या लिखना है? dx by dx. That means here dr by dt 900. So this will be 4 by 3 pi 3r 3 minus 1 how much? Square dr by dt equal to 900. Now 3 get cancelled. Since we have to find out the value of dr by dt, now we have to write in left hand side dr by dt 900, and if we take 4 pi r square in right hand side, we have to write this in denominator. It will be 4 pi r square, right? Now when condition is given in question, when radius is 15 centimeter, that means what? Radius is considered as r. When r equal to 15 centimeter, then what? dr by dt, this equation, it is how much? 900 4 pi. Instead of r put here 15 square, isn't it? R means what? 15. Now 900 4 pi. If we multiply 15 2 times, we'll get 225. it will be what? 900. 4 to 25 is how much? It is what? 900 pi. So 900 cancel. This what? 1 by pi. So dr by dt is how much? 1 by pi. Now what is the unit of r? It is what? Centimeter per. Unit of t is what? Second. Now the radius of the balloon is increasing at the rate of, therefore the radius of the balloon is increasing at the rate of how much? 1 by pi centimeter per second. How we know that it is, whether it is increasing or decreasing? If here positive sign, then it is what? Increasing. If there will be negative sign, then it is what? Decreasing. So these are the what? Final solution of question number 8. So in the next video or in the next class, we'll discuss the remaining question. So for more updates, stay tuned with my channel and follow my channel. So today that's all. Thank you.